Hey fam, welcome back to my channel, Keeping It Caprice. If you're new here, I do natural hair, lifestyle, and motivational talks. If that's something you're interested in, which I know it is, just go ahead and click the subscribe button. It'll be a blessing to have you join this family. Okay, y'all, I'm not going to talk y'all heads off long. It's another hair video. We're finna do mini twists today. I'm so excited. Yay, the mini twist. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair. As y'all seen in my previous video, I did the two braids and the poof ball in the back. Well, I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna wash my hair. Let me show y'all what I'm going to use. Just give me 1 second. Excuse my kids because they just have no sense. Okay, so I'm using this Keratin Smooth Weightless Heat Protectant shampoo and conditioner because I am going to blow dry my hair and before I do my mini twist. So let me wash my hair, put this in there, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, all right y'all, see y'all in a little bit. Alright y'all, so I start off by greasing my scalp. Okay, it is much needed. So I'm just greasing my scalp all the way through. I'm not making the perfect parts or anything like that. I'm just going through, just greasing my scalp because it needs that moisture. Okay. And then after I grease my scalp, I'm going to part my hair, and I did it in 6 sections. I started with the nape and split that in half. Then I did the middle and I split that in half. And then of course the front, and I split that in half. I'm still working on my parting. I'm not perfect at parting, but we gonna get there. And then next we're gonna start twisting after that. And so I just took a little part. This is how I part. I take my index finger, and that's the width, and then I take the comb and I part it. Now for each little section of a twist, I just use my finger, and I try to put each twist laying in between the gaps, if that makes sense. So that's how I did my parting, because I can't see in the back, and I'm not gonna stress on trying to part my hair real good in the back. Ain't nobody got time for all of that. All right, and then I make sure they were really tiny, so y'all know that took a while. And on top of that, I only used mousse. I just wanted to see what it would look like if I just used mousse. Now next time that I do my mini twist, we're gonna try like a curling cream and a gel, but I just used mousse to hope for frizz and just to see what it would look like. So y'all tell me what y'all think about it, okay? Because I thought it still turned out pretty cute, but a few days later though, it did look a little bit dry, but I want that moisture to sit in there, so we're gonna try something different next time that we do all of this, okay? But yeah, and then at the end, I'm just showing y'all the process of, you know, how much hair I done did each time until I'm all done. And let me tell y'all something, the finishing results is banging. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Hair growing, all that. Too happy, y'all. I'm so cute. I'm so cute with my mini twist, y'all. It's a pretty style to have. Y'all try them out. And I thank y'all for watching. And until next time, y'all be blessed now.